Hello to my friends, welcome to GT CAAD. Today we have the jog feature in sheet metal environment. As you see, I just did these solid sheet metal parts in one feature. Okay, let's go to do this practice. Press Ctrl and hold N, create a new part. Go to the sketch, create a 2D sketch on the front plane and create this sketch. Just horizontal line. Okay, exit the sketch. Go to the sheet metal tab. If your sheet metal environment isn't activate, just right click one of the tab, for example evaluate, right click on it. Go to the tabs and activate the sheet metal environment. Select the sketch, it activates. After that, select the base flange because it should recognize your sketch. Below this description, we have some parameters like spline. I change it to mid spline, and you can change the width of your sheet metal part. For example, I want to change it into 20 millimeters. Okay, below the direction we have the sheet metal gauges. If you have a specific formula about your sheet metal body, you can browse your Excel and insert in your Solidworks. Okay, after that, here we have the thickness. The T1 is refers to thickness. You can reverse the direction. It goes up and down or symmetric. Here, the radius of your bending sheet metal. It's automatically in default of Solidworks. I prefer to don't change these amounts, but it's based on your thickness. For example, if your thickness is 1 millimeter, the minimum value in the radius band is 1 millimeter. You can insert less than the 1 millimeters. For example, I can insert the 1 millimeters if my thickness is 1, but here I prefer to insert the 5 millimeters. After that, we have the K factor to bend alone. It's the default. As I said, if you have the gauges table, you can change this K factor. Okay, the final parameter is relief. Okay, you can see this change parameter in bending moments. Okay, I hold my select on the jog. You can see the description adds 2 bends from the sketched line in the sheet metal part. Before to run this feature, we need to create a sketch and define a line bend. Select a line. For example, I want to bend my sheet metal part from here, and this offset from the origin is 30. Okay, go to the sheet metal and select the jog. If you create some lines, the jog can recognize them. You need to just create one line. Okay, it wants you to select the face bend here, as you see. Okay, this is the result. Here in the default is 90 degrees. Okay, here we have some features like blind. You can change it and make it higher, or you can change the dimension position. I zoom in to see the results. For example here, okay, when I hold my flash on it, it says it's outside offset or inside or the last one. After that, this is the jog position. Look at the from the line started here. It's started from the bend center line, or before that, or it's the tangent, or after that here. This is the 90 degree. I just change it to 100. For example, it can be 70. And select OK. Select the flatten. You can save as this sheet metal part in DXF for the laser cut or press break. but I prefer to use these features, fold and unfold. Unfold is here. The animation shows you. Hold your pen, change into the flattened surface. Okay, select the unfold, select the one of the face, it doesn't matter which one, and here it calculates all bends. Here we have the 2 jack. Okay, here. This is the flatten the sheet metal. To return in the sheet metal moment, you can select the fold and select the one of the, for example, this face, and collect all bends. Okay. Here you can, for example, suppress and see the flatten view. Also, you can unsuppress to back in the sheet metal moment. Okay, our lesson is finished. I hope you like it. If you have any question, just comment below the video, and thanks for watching.